Turning your engine, 12J634. Turning good. At the front engines looks good as you can see. It's all on compressor, without any damage. And on this side, everything's good. All windows without button inside, as you can see. True box, not broken. Same as well like on this side, everything's good. Starter on the good conditions. Same as well like altimeter. And on the top, have computer engine. Plastics cover without any damage. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, 12J634.